Yo. I'm looking for silly little trinkets outside. Animal. There's no freaking moon, so it's dark and scary, but it'll show up on camera a little. But there's a lot of stars and they're really, really pretty. There's not really much trinkets and such, because I can't go in the woods right now because it's dark and I'm not doing that. Dude, that looks so creepy on camera, but like, ignore how dirty this looks. I don't know, it's just like stained from stuff. It looks so spooky and scary on camera, but it's not. Oh, that's a hair. I thought that was a bug. I'm gonna catch it. Gonna look at trinkets. Do I want any of you? I don't want any of y'all. Y'all aren't very good. So, I don't know why I'm out here at nighttime. There's spooky, scary noises. I don't like it. But, there's a massive pine cone. Good God. Ooh. First little trinket. Oh, alright. Ew. Okay, I felt something touch me and I didn't like it. I didn't appreciate that. I'll have to make a part 2 because I'm running out of time. But like, y'all, got my first little wood trinket. That's so scary. I don't know, dude, that is terrifying. I hate it here. This is so scary. Why am I doing this? No! Freaking trinket. Dude, everything is... I hate it here. I hate this. This actually sucks. Ooh, let me see you. Let me see you, mister.